How do you record the screen on an Android phone? Sometimes we need to show someone exactly what's happening on our phone and screen record video clips for our TikTok, Instagram Reels or YouTube videos. I'm doing this on my Samsung Galaxy S24 with a feature that's built into this device. Or if you can't find this on your Android phone, there's a screen recorder app linked in the description below. The easiest way to start is through your quick settings panel. Swipe down from the very top right hand corner of your screen. Or if it doesn't look like this, try swiping down from the middle once, then a second time to fully expand the quick settings panel. Look for the icon that says screen recorder. Yours might be on a second page of icons, so swipe left if it looks different on your phone. Here's the screen recorder icon. If you can't see it, click on the pen icon at the top, then edit to reveal all the possible buttons and look for screen recorder there. When I tap on the screen recorder icon, it brings up this menu. We can choose what sound it will capture while recording the screen. Either no sound, media, which is the sound the phone is playing, like music or game sounds, or media and mic to record your phone's microphone at the same time. There's also an option to show taps and touches. I'll turn this on to show you what it does, but basically it highlights where your finger comes into contact with the screen while it's recording. I'll press start recording and we see this 3-second countdown to get ready and recording begins. In the top right hand corner we have this small floating toolbar. This is our control center and this doesn't appear in the screen recording. You can long press on this control center bar to drag it around the screen to have any position you like. There's a pause button here so we can pause the recording without ending it. The pen icon lets us draw or highlight things on the screen while recording. And if I tap on the colour, we can change the colour and the thickness of the pen. Now we can write or draw whatever we like on the screen, and there's an undo button too to clear things up. The person icon here lets me activate my front-facing camera. Now I can record my beautiful face in this small circle, and I can drag the circle to wherever I want on the screen. This is perfect for gaming streams or quick reaction videos. If I want to minimize the control panel, click on this small triangle here, and now it just shows the timing of the recording. Swipe left on this to open up the panel again. When we're done, simply tap the stop button, which looks like a square. I'll show you where this recording goes, but first let me show you the settings you can change. Go into your phone's settings and then advanced features, then screenshots and screen recordings. Scroll down to the recordings section and we can set the default for the audio. Choose the video quality, set the size of the camera circle and choose which folder to save the screen recordings. This is the folder to go to if you want to transfer the videos to a computer. To find your screen recordings, just open up your gallery app. The video is right there in your main album, and it's also in the album called Screen Recordings. From here we can edit it, share it, or delete the file. The recordings also appear in Google Photos, which also has an album for screenshots and recordings. Congratulations! We can now record our Android phone screens. If this video is helping, thanks for hitting the thumbs up button, and right here are all my other essential Android phone tips and tricks.